Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now it's game time, and today we're playing the Dad Essentials Relay. Now, in celebration of Father's Day, we've combined all the essential skills we think a father ought to know in a race consisting of 3 parts.
You know which that is essential. So in the first part, we will be tasked with tying a tie. And once completed, we place it on the table. In the second part, we will tie a bow tie.
That makes time.
And we'll keep that one on.
Yeah.
And finally, in the last section, we'll get creative and put our shaving or barbering skills to the test by giving our balloon models the best beard trim.
Now, after the first person completes all 3 tasks, both contestants will have to pause what they're doing as the completed tasks are submitted for review by the producer.
So if a task is accepted, what's the sound? That sound will play, and if the task is not accepted, we will hear. If all tasks are done up to par, then this person is declared the winner. If not, they'll have to redo the ones they missed.
All right. Let's get started. I guess I'm going to go on the mark. Minute.
No, me not start. Go.
Oh.
All right. Tie. Oh, this going on. So. Double Windsor. All right.
Just a one.
Relax here now.
It's a one tie. All right, cool.
Tie. Yikes.
Get back on next one.
Oh, this going on.
Oh, yeah, the bow tie. Well,
Remember that something here?
A 2 tie me out, so I'm not going to rip through that one here.
One.
Put the puff. That's something there. So go, so.
Relax. I mean, I'm here.
Don't worry yourself, man. Just don't worry. Look, that barbering service is also there. If you relax, I get a problem, you know me?
I'll come up.
So we'll keep on this one or we'll put it on the table? So we keep on that one now?
Come back around.
We keep on that one now then. Go over here, so you know.
Sure.
You know something I like when I bring over there, so look. I know my look down for, alright? That's the best. What's the one go on that something I know? I give him a little smile.
Bow tie, so yeah. Rough. Alright, hold on, see that. Alright.
Shout out my barber, you know. I say, well,
I'm trying to rest my bow tie. Alright, let's see what I'm going on with this now. What up here, dude?
hold up head. Let's see you go. Hey, me. And a clean shave, you forget a little bossy look, you know.
No, man, clean shave him same one.
A bossy look, man. You forget a bossy look, man.
Clean shave man same one.
No, a bossy look, man.
Shave up all of me eye. Take off that off your nose. By your nose.
How kind of foam something?
I wonder if it's a heel that.
No, well, a little bit. On the neck. You know, so if you left the scale, is somebody that eat and take ice cream?
Not I.
Somebody, you know, one of us.
See that? See me one.
Okay, you say it not them eye. It not eye. That not clean, you know. That not clean, you know.
Yeah, see.
In the finish that one.
No, can't see. No, see it drop out. I can't see.
What better?
I can't see. All right, hold the camera right there so we can see.
No, leg off. No, you can't fix. Stop. Leg off it.
And then say if you think that you're supposed to
finish, leg off it. You finish. Move it on.
Yeah, see.
Move it on. See? I say Craigie one.
But it was better before, I just can't see.
No, I say how Craigie one look. And what that Craigie?
Close enough.
Craigie my tie goat.
Close enough.
That I finish it, you know. I'm still a tie, you know.
I can't finish it, yeah.
No, man.
I'll finish it.
So we can't finish this payment then?
That's what it said. Then you never read the instructions.
Tell myself to stop.
The instructions say, if it don't work, then you must do it over.
Craigie, me for this. Craigie finish. Go finish, Craigie.
That's not what the instructions said.
Who finish? Oh, wait.
The instructions say.
What about Paris? What? What do you think? We're not for the tie, I mean. Which tie? The table tie or this tie? So I'm moving two tie.
Hold on, little. Nah, man, like a high school time, but you know how harder. Honestly, says a double wins of that. On a bright.
And this is
what do you mean the winner for that?
And this is a vision.
It's a single that, man.
Yes,
a high school. Nah, man, a high school time that, man.
Stop, boy, sir.
A girl high school in that. Queen's high school time that, man.
You know, say a long time I think there's something wrong with Rasta.
A Queen's high school time. This is a man time that, man. That's a big. Alright, watch here. See the test here. Hold on.
I'm not even too like you.
See the test here. When this come out,
yeah,
and you can do this, you tie right.
So you say, so all I have to do is just, all I have to do is pull this one out, and once I pull this out, I'm supposed to handle this?
Oh, all right. You get way.
This time I'll be right back as the winner. You wanna finish?
Thief. Like a high school thing there. On that note, Daytime Live will be right back, and it's all about street supply. We're so forward.